Hello, world changers. Welcome to yet another breakthrough chapter in Reloadly's journey. Today, we're set to embark on an exploration of our newest innovation, one that you, our valued users, have been eagerly waiting for: crypto payments. Yes, you heard that right. We've listened, we've implemented, and now we're ready to unveil it. So, to begin with this adventure, let's dive into the Reloadly platform. If you're not part of the community, it's very easy to create an account. In my case, I already have an account set up, so let's just go ahead and sign in. And here we are at the heart of Reloadly, the dashboard. As you can see, my account here currently has zero balance, which is good, all the better for us to be able to demonstrate the feature. So let's top up our wallet, and here's where the magic happens. Click my wallet, add balance, select crypto payments, hit next, and then here we enter an amount that we want to top up our wallet for. Let's say 50 bucks, and then hit next. Give it a few seconds. And voila, the crypto payment gateway emerges. This offers a plethora of cryptocurrency options. We've made sure to cover all the major currencies and then some. Now, once we've chosen our preferred cryptocurrency, this new window will appear, and here we have the option to either manually copy the crypto address or to scan the QR code with our crypto wallet, of course. So I'm gonna take the easy way out and pull out my crypto wallet and scan the QR code. So let me do that on my phone, open my phone, get my crypto wallet to scan the QR code. All right, so I have my crypto wallet pulled up, scanning the QR code. That one, you cannot see it happening, but trust me, it's happening. All right. Entering my credentials and submitted the payment. And just like that, the payment is being submitted. Takes a few seconds, and voila, the payment is confirmed. Great success. Once I close this pop-up, I get redirected to the payment history page, which displays the status of our transaction. Please note that crypto payments may take a few seconds to process, which is why we added this status column to keep you informed every step of the way. In my case here, my payment is already successful. If it's not, if it's still pending in your case, you can hit search or refresh the page to get an updated status. And now if I refresh my whole page, can see, voila, my account balance freshly updated, just like that. Now you've just experienced the simplicity and power of crypto payment on Reloadly. All right, so what are you waiting for? Crypto payments are now live. Dive in, feel free to explore, and relish in the experience. Welcome to the future with Reloadly.